Dear sisters and brothers, it's a real pleasant experience after COVID vaccination. Many of our friends found it very, very difficult to manage the time. And so we thought we'll share with each other whatever we have learned and whatever we have experienced. And 50 of our good friends with diabetes came forward to share their experience. And I was really overwhelmed by the way in which they suggested that their complete diabetic status can be improved and they feel fresh after vaccination. So, what can we do after this vaccination? That is the big story. Now, first thing they said, the headache they experienced after this vaccination was severe, and they wanted a solution for that. So, first is headache, then some of them had severe body ache, third, they had fever, and many of them were sleeping all the time. So, it is really an experience for them, and it is wonderful to share with you how we overcame all these problems. So, all diabetic people who went for vaccination felt quite free, and they were really happy about taking the vaccine. 40 to 60 years, okay, 60 to 70 years, they felt quite happy, but still everybody had a fear. So, how to overcome this status? I said clinical nutrition. Diet is the only answer. So, don't worry about taking this and that. You can take away straight a good food, a diet to follow. I am giving you a programmed diet which you can easily follow and tide over the situation. Morning, you take a simple fruit. Your favorite fruit is always guava. Take the guava, and you can also take one boiled egg. Now, if you are a vegetarian, don't worry about this. Take one very small sized fruit like this, and you can also take one pomegranate. So, early morning, start with the pomegranate and a cup of hot water. Start drinking only hot water. Now, the first thing in the morning you usually have as a schedule of 1 liter hot water is quite okay, and you have to take it. And this is morning schedule, and after that you will feel fresh. Now, 8 o'clock, take your simple diet. Take cooked, steam cooked items, and when you take a little bit of wheat food, it's okay. Take a piece of bread or burger, but burger is not okay for you. So, you must depend on bread and butter, or bread and egg, bread sandwich, or toast, whichever is easier for you. Now, for the afternoon, you have to start thinking about chilies. Now, chilies, they are very good medicine with highly valuable things in them. So, think about capsicum. Capsicum has capsaicin, but after COVID vaccination, it is always good that you have a half ripe fruit. A half ripe capsicum is really excellent, and colorless capsicum is still more good. So, this capsicum can give you more virility, more stability, and more vigor than other things. Now, this is to be cooked along with the Solanum torvum. You might have seen the simple Solanum vegetables. Torvum is a very good vegetable for diabetic people. You take this. This preparation, cooked, boiled nicely, and taken with little rice or bread will be quite okay. And you can also see that you always take a fig fruit. If you get fig fruits alive, it's really very good. If you don't get, depend on dried fish fruits. These fig fruits can boost your stamina. Now, as soon as you take the vaccine, what you feel is as if something is going into the head, then something is coming down into the body, pushing your legs and hands down, and you feel sleepy. Sleep. Sleep till you don't understand why you sleep. Sleep without knowing that you are sleeping. It's an excellent resting time. So don't hesitate to sleep and take rest. It is a God given time to take a good rest also. Now, after you wake up for the lunch, you take a sumptuous lunch, whichever way you like, and then walk a little, talk a little, take a little water. Hot water every time, half a liter will be ideal, and then you take it nicely. So, the first day after vaccination is over, people are happy. Second day they say, don't take this any tablet after this, don't take any drug after this. The only permitted thing is paracetamol. If you have body pain, okay, take 2 paracetamol tablets, okay, but still, shall I take my usual tablets? Shall I avoid my usual tablets? So many doubts come into our mind. So, second day, you will be all right, but there will be more reactions. So, every action has to be met with bravely. First thing, two of my friends complained was heavy headache. So, what to do for headache? Now, headache can be prevented very easily by garlic. The allicin of garlic is ideal. You can prepare a nice thing, boil the whole garlic and then peel it off and take all the pearls and consume. Otherwise, put this in milk, add little turmeric, 1 pinch of pepper, and drink as a juice. Your headache will be off. So once you get relieved of your headache, then you feel as if there is an easy feeling of the nose. It is a good reaction. So what you can take is, if possible, take this flour. This is calotropis flour, white calotropis flowers. You can dry and keep it in your place, and when you need, you can take it. The third one you can take with a little bit of honey. That will be better. Third one is your stomach. Your stomach gets an uneasy feeling, and if you feel that you are not okay, don't worry. Please take little bit of cumin seeds, and ajwan seeds, and then nicely fry it up like this. Fry the seeds and keep ready so that you can powder at any time and take for your stomach. Your stomach will be all right. Now, when you take that little cumin seeds, add little bit of cilantro, and you can boil it nicely, and fresh juice can be taken. So, depend on fresh juice to avoid all the problems. Now, again, you feel ulcerous or you feel something bad in the stomach. So, all what you have to take right now is a bit of this green. This is again Solanum nigrum, and this Solanum is a nice green which you take for everyday dish. So anything with the round seeds, it's very good. And a globular seed with a black fruit, and the leaf can be taken off nicely. It is a powdered Solanum nigrum. Now this with little bit of cilantro is ideal for your stomach ulcer. So ulcer is gone. Then what else? You still feel sleepy or dizzy, or sometimes you feel as if you are tired to the worst extent. So now you can see little bit of rash on the body on the third day. Many people said there are rashes all over the body. So what to do with that? So for rashes, you have to rush to the garden, take this little plant. This is Bacopa monnieri. You can see this plant, and if you crush the juice and put it in ordinary coconut oil and paste it with the candle, you get this ointment. So prepare this ointment, Bacopa monnieri, for yourself, and you can use this cream when there are rashes on the body. So once there are rashes, they are removed, you will feel quite fresh. Now you have to clean the body with the potato paste. So this is a potato which has multiple properties for the skin. More than the round potato, this plum like potato is good. So you grind this into paste and then use it for body wash, and all your different types of rashes will go off. So now you are free of all the problems. Again, what you are left is you feel as if there is a chest pain or something like that. If you are tired and if you feel crushed, take 2 hibiscus flowers, put it in lime juice, remove the juice, and drink with hot water. Your problems are solved. And now, third day has come. You are almost relieved, but still sleepy. Sleep, sleep till the body is okay. You take good rest and say bye to all the effects of after effects of vaccine, and you are in the hygienic world